Many people like to talk about success. They talk about their goals, their plans, and their future achievements. They want others to see their effort. But real success does not need words. Real success speaks through results. Oliver was a man who believed in quiet work. He did not enjoy talking about what he was doing. He believed that talking too much wasted energy. Instead, he focused on action. Every day, Oliver followed a simple routine. He woke up early and prepared for his work. He planned his tasks carefully. He completed them one by one. When problems appeared, he solved them quietly. At work, Oliver did not compete for attention. He did not argue in meetings. He listened carefully and spoke only when necessary. Some people thought he was too quiet. Some people thought he lacked ambition. But Oliver was building something strong. While others looked for quick praise, Oliver worked patiently. While others changed direction often, Oliver stayed consistent. He understood that success takes time. There were moments when Oliver felt discouraged. Sometimes he wondered if his effort was invisible. Sometimes he felt behind. But he reminded himself of one simple truth. Progress does not always show immediately. Oliver trusted the process. Over time, his skills improved. His work became reliable. People began to notice his results. They noticed his calm attitude. They noticed that problems disappeared when he handled them. One day, Oliver was given a bigger responsibility. It was not announced loudly. It was not celebrated publicly. It simply happened. His results had spoken. Oliver understood something very important. Words create promises. Results create trust. Quiet work allowed Oliver to grow without pressure. He was not distracted by opinions. He was not pushed by comparison. He focused on improvement, not image. Even after success, Oliver stayed quiet. He did not change his routine. He did not seek attention. He continued working with discipline. Quiet success gave Oliver freedom. Freedom from noise. Freedom from stress. Freedom to grow at his own pace. If you are working quietly, do not feel discouraged. Silence does not mean failure. Silence often means progress is happening. You do not need to explain your journey. You do not need to prove yourself to everyone. Work quietly. Improve daily. Let results speak. Because when results speak, words are no longer needed.